And here comes key property of linear transformation, and that is, every linear transformation is in fact just a matrix multiplication. In other words, anytime I have a linear transformation, I can in fact write that function as just a multiplication by matrix A. And to find this matrix A, if the domain of my function is R squared, then I can find f of 1, 0. I can find f of 1, 0, put that as a column vector. I find f of 0, 1, put that as a column vector next to each other and call it matrix A. So this is going to be the matrix A that we have from here. Applying the function f is just the same as multiplying by matrix A. If the domain of my function is R cubed, then I can just find f of 1, 0, 0, f of 0, 1, 0, and f of 0, 0, 1 as a column vectors next to each other and call that a matrix A. And in general, I can do this as well. If my function is from R to the n to R to the m, then the matrix A that I have is going to be an m by n matrix. So let's take a look at the example that we have from earlier. F of xy is this thing, x plus y, 3x minus 2y, and then x. If I want to find f of 1, 0, then I can just plug 1 in for x and 0 in for y. So this is going to be 1 plus 0, 3 times 1 minus 2 times 0, and then just 1. This is going to be 1, 3, 1. And if I want to find f of 0, 1, I'm gonna plug 0 in for x and then 1 in for y. So I'll get 0 plus 1, 3 times 0 minus 2 times 1, and then just 0 here. And this is going to be 1, negative 2, and 1. Now then, to find matrix A, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put these two vectors next together and just call it a matrix. So my matrix A is just gonna be 1, 3, 1, and then 1, negative 2. Wait a minute, the last one, this has to be 1. So it should be 1, negative 2, and then 0. And then 0 here. Yeah, so my function f that we have from earlier is actually just the same as multiplying by matrix A. And to check, I can multiply the matrix A, which is 1, 1, 3, negative 2, and then 1, 0 to any vector x, y, and let's see what we get. If we were to multiply this thing, the first entry is going to be 1 times x plus 1 times y, so that's going to be just x plus y. The next entry is going to be 3 times x plus negative 2 times y, so that's going to be 3x minus 2y. And the last entry is going to be 1 times x plus 0 times y, so that's going to be just x. Notice that this is the same as what we have from earlier, so the function f that we have from earlier is just the same as multiplying the vector xy with the matrix A that we have here.